Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Many of you are sending me emails that I'm not making videos. That is because I have a problem with my phone. So I'm unable to film it, and because the quality is not good, I personally feel that when you watch a video, overall feel should be good. Because of this phone, I'm unable to do it, but I'm planning to buy one. It has been delayed, so I thought, why should I miss the continuity? And also I was looking for some quality content. I planned some in the next video or so. I'll just let you know, and then you can tell me which one you want among them. Sorry for the gap. So yeah, we're going to review today this particular Pond's Super Light Gel, the oil-free moisturizer, and for non-sticky, glowing skin, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So these are the claims of it, like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E are supposed to be the main contents of this particular moisturizer. Okay, I have few good points and few negative points about it. So at the end I would want to give my judgment also. So by that you can decide. Okay, so yeah, first thing is, the packaging is really good. It's very handy. Anybody who's a software engineer or anyone you can just carry it. My sister uses, in fact she's a software employee, and she almost carries it in her bag every day, and we bought her this one because I thought it will be really handy, and it's a huge quantity, 150 grams for around 200 change. For a hyaluronic acid product to come at this cheap level is definitely appreciable. So that is one thing. And another thing, it has one or two good ingredients, which I will tell you once we dig into the ingredients. You all, I'm sure, know the texture and how it's absorbed and all. I have seen most of the YouTubers also do this review, so I'm not going to go into the texture and absorption wise and all. For oily skin, for combination skin, anybody can use it. Because it doesn't, for oily skin people, maybe diamethicone. If you're allergic, your skin is allergic to silicone, then no, because it has got one, it as silicone is one of the main ingredients. Otherwise anybody can use it. Okay, so yeah, we'll dig into the ingredients. I'm going to only read out few of the important ingredients. Okay, so the first thing is water. So all these gel based things are usually water or aloe vera juice based. They and the following ingredients will be something that locks that water and seals the moisturizer. Water is the only thing that can actually moisturize the skin. I've said this in one of the first videos that I've made. Okay, so the second ingredient here is dimethicone. As I've said, this dimethicone is a form of silicone that helps seal that water. And the other ingredient succeeding that is glycerine. Now glycerine is a humectant, you all know that. Okay, now let's go to the second line, and it has got niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. Anyone wants an exclusive video on vitamin B3, let me know, I'll do it. Okay, that is one good ingredient. And again, since it claims that it has got hyaluronic acid, one thing I really like about this product is you must be knowing the Ordinary brand's multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. Okay, it has got different sizes and different forms of hyaluronic acid, which helps in more hydration. That technology or that thing they have incorporated into this, which is extremely appreciable. That is something I cannot deny. They have got 4 forms. It has got sodium hyaluronate, cross polymers, sodium acetylated hyaluronate, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. Now they all are smaller sizes of hyaluronic acid, which helps in better penetration into the dermis. Okay, and of course it has got vitamin E as said. Okay, now I have spoken about the pros of it. Let me come to the cons of it. If you can see how these brands just use a lot of money in marketing and selling things. See, it has claimed hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, right? Vitamin E is somewhere down below. And vitamin B3 is in the second line, as I have mentioned. Okay. Technically speaking, vitamin B3 is far more beneficial than vitamin E. Of course, there's no comparison between one vitamin and another. But vitamin E is moisturizing and antioxidant. That's it. It just protects the cell membrane. Whereas vitamin B has more beneficial properties when compared to vitamin E, according to me. Okay, but see, just because Indian market and Indian YouTubers, I have to not blame, but I have to complain that because YouTubers make a DIY vitamin E using that Evian and it helps in that, this and all, you get a small thing and you start making huge videos on it. This is how the market and the companies also make use of this. Actually, if the company wants, they can actually claim that we have niacinamide in it, and they can sell it, okay? But considering the Indian fad created by people on social media and all, they have used vitamin E to attract people, okay? And also, glycerine is a top ingredient. Glycerine is a better humectant when it comes to hyaluronic acid. Glycerine is that moisturizing ingredient that your skin loves compared to hyaluronic acid. Glycerine is far cheaper and far more beneficial than hyaluronic acid. Just considering people trends and different statements or different heroines or whoever, or the Western influences, they brought the hyaluronic acid product, but actually it has got the glycerine as top ingredient. Now there's another one from Pond's, the vitamin E and glycerine cream. At least that is correct, because it has got glycerine as first ingredients, and that is what they have mentioned about it, okay? And of course the remaining things are, it has full of chemicals. Now coming to my personal judgment about it, now I've told you, right, how they're using the market and all. So when we use products or somebody else makes a video, please be careful of what you're telling and how companies are making use of it, okay? My personal judgment about it would be, I would definitely not recommend this product because it has got high amounts of fragrance in it, that too unpleasant one. First of all, if you have skin that has got acne or pigmentation, avoid all the products which have got fragrance in them. And this particular one has got a very overpowering fragrance, for which I'm dead against, and I will definitely not recommend. If you have pigmentation, if you have pimples, if you have sensitive skin, fragrance can worsen what you already have. So instead of you invest in something like this, though it's cheap, even spend 100 or 200 more and invest in some hyaluronic acid product if you're crazy about it, and buy that one like Dot and Key and hyaluronic acid gel. They're a lot more, right? So you can buy things like that. So guys, please be careful. Just because everybody is reviewing it and all, do not fall a prey to all of that, okay? Thank you. Any questions you have, you can let me know in the comment box.